All right, so today I'm going to try a little experiment with the coffee. All right, so this is my cold brew coffee and I brewed it for 24 hours. And the coffee is the Kanaloa blend coffee. All right, and so for this it says add 1 regular tablespoon per 6 ounces of water. All right, so that's exactly what I did with this. Now, I want to find out if cold brew coffee tastes better than sun brewed coffee. That's right, I did say sun brewed, which means just like you make sun tea, put some coffee in here and some water, then you sit out in the sun for a few hours, and then you see what you come up with. So I'm very curious about this. Okay, so cold brewed coffee versus sun brewed coffee. All right. Add the required amount of water per instructions on the coffee label. So I already have some grinded up coffee, and this is more of a coarse grind, the same as I use with the ice brewed coffee. So coarse grind coffee, 1 tablespoon per 6 ounces, and this is going to take 4 scoops. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to sit this baby out in the sun for let's say 4 hours, because I think that'll be a good enough time compared to the 24 hours. Or we'll see. I can't keep it outside in the sun for 24 hours because hey, the sun is not going to be up that long. Alright, so here we go. By the way, I'm in Nevada, so I'm using Nevada sun, if that makes a difference. All right, let's do it. Has a strong smell. Okay, the ice brewed coffee has a sweeter smell to it, while the sun brewed coffee has a sweet smell, but it's kind of like almost like a nutty smell to it. All right, so let's filter. Now let's compare the colors. Okay, color. Now, for the sun brewed coffee, it's definitely darker and it definitely smells different than the ice brewed, which is this one. All right, let's give it a taste. Let's start off with the sun brewed. Nice. I thought for sure this would probably have an acidic taste to it, and it does not. It does not have a strong smell to it. It almost has like a nutty taste to it. And remember, the coffee that I'm tasting is the Kanaloa blend coffee. So just keep that in mind. Each coffee, depending on which one you try, is going to have a different profile to it. But this has a nice smell. Wow. I like it. Not acidic. Not too strong in flavor. This would make a great shot if you ever wanted to do a shot of coffee. Okay, let's try this one. Now this one, the cold brew coffee, does not have a stronger smell than the sun brewed coffee. The sun brewed coffee definitely has a stronger smell to it. And if you look at the two, the sun coffee, the ice brewed coffee, different colors. Ice brewed is definitely lighter. This definitely tastes lighter in flavor. The coffee is not as strong or pronounced as the sun coffee. So the ice brewed coffee does come out weaker. The ice brewed coffee, I brewed this for 24 hours. And the sun brewed coffee, I brewed for 6 hours. Okay? Sun brewed coffee does bring out more flavor than ice brewed coffee, but both of them taste very well. But I think if I want a stronger coffee, the winner would be this. If I wanted a lighter tasting coffee, I would go with the ice brewed coffee. So that's it. Until the next video, see you guys soon. Bye.